Good morning. Yeah. So, any doubts? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Good morning, Your Honor.
Oh, yeah, great. So, yeah, doubts.
Yeah, I have a scenario like on row level security.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just implemented row level security, but I given the security to the admin, so admin only can access the view and reports.
How did you identify these admins?
Uh, in my username, have a list of admins and a list of other non-admin people.
Okay, okay. So you have a table which contains the list of your admins and other people. Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
yeah, that contains a standard ID.
Okay.
So
So
based
based
on
on
that standard
that,
ID, it will match and it will fetch the admin. So if it standard ID is true, admin can see the reports.
yeah, okay,
So if any other non-admin wants to see that report,
okay.
we should restrict. I mean, whenever they open the report, we just populate a message stating that you are restricted to this access.
Okay.
So that is the output we want to try. I mean, we are trying to implement. That does it possible, or is there any other way?
So
And in toggling technique, we can use by passing parameters like admin and non-admin. So there we can switch from admin to non-admin. But here, whenever the non-admin user trying to open the report, directly it's showing the that pop-up message stating that it's restricted.
you want, just can you come again? It is directly showing the popping message, but when do you want to show it?
When the non-admin user wants to try open the view.
Open the view in the sense? I didn't get you.
I mean, let's say I publish the report, so I given us row level security to admin.
Mm-hmm.
So admin can only see the report view and the data.
Okay.
So who are not list of the admin pod, so they're trying to open they want to see the report. So whenever they want to see the report, we should display the you are restricted to this access in the dashboard itself.
Okay.
So that is what our scenario. Is that possible?
Okay. It, in a way, yes, it is possible. But tell me one thing. So when a non-admin user is coming, he will not at all be able to see anything, right? Like the
Of course,
number of
he can able to see the dashboard level of view, but he cannot see the uh, data in the view.
yeah, you mean to say he can see the structure of the dashboard, but he cannot see any data that is present in those views, right?
Yeah, even the printed drop down list also. If for
Yeah,
row level
yeah.
security,
If your sheet is disabled or no null is there is no records present in your sheet, any filter coming from that sheet will always be null. So that is
yeah,
not a
yeah.
problem. Okay, so coming to your situation here, the main problem that I see, whatever you are stating, based on that, the main problem that I see is,
Okay.
what do you say, being able to show something when certain data is not present, right? That is the biggest. Now here, the problem is when a null is being passed, when no data is being passed, a sheet level, in the sheet level, you cannot see any data. Okay. Now just to show that, I'm creating a parameter. And in this, I'm taking string. Let me just take it as yes and then take it as no. I'm writing a calculated field. If parameter 2 is equal to yes, then true, else false. Now I am bringing this to filter. I am
Filters, yeah.
selecting to apply. Now I am bringing any dimension. I am bringing region. I am bringing number of records as well.
Yeah.
Now when you see this parameter 2, now if you see here, when I say my parameter 2 is equal to yes, then only that I have selected, right? So I'm
Yes.
converting this to no.
No.
The moment, not getting, I didn't select for false. Yeah, okay. Now if you see, if I select yes, I'm seeing the data, and when I'm
Yes.
selecting no, I'm not seeing the data. The problem
Yes.
here is just like if yes is his admin access and no is his non-admin access. If he's click,
Yes.
if he's now in behind, you will be writing the parameter. In place of parameter, it will be your column where you are writing that calculation. So if he's selecting yes, he's seeing his data, and if he's sorry, if he's an admin, he's seeing the data, and if he's a non-admin, he's not seeing the data. Here the problem is when he is a non-admin, no record is being passed to the sheet level. Hence, this is totally being none. We are
None.
not seeing anything.
Yeah.
So even in the dashboard, when you bring this problem is there. You cannot show this thing that he doesn't have any access or something like that. Now for that, one solution that I have is rather than doing this directly, what I will do is I will bring any container. Okay? And in that container, I will be bringing a text box. Right? Now here, I'll be putting this text with a good font. Right? This is what I'll be showing you. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now I'm bringing sheet 13 not as tiled but floating.
Okay.
Now this I will bring here and I am matching with the size of this. Okay. Now
Okay.
here, let me take this as an entire view. Right? Now let me make this yes. Here I'm hiding this sheet title, and also I'm going into format shading, and here I'm taking some light brown color just for the sake of it. It's not
Yeah.
mandatory that you need to take this. Now here the moment a non-admin logs, we are seeing that one.
Yes.
So how
But
to,
it,
yeah, go ahead.
yeah, but this will work in statistic way, no, sir. It's
Static.
not in dynamic.
Like if it now, if you are see in the layouts, if you are fixing your layout rather than putting an automatic, if you have a fixed size, it will work. And even in fixed size, you can customize to every size that is present, right? And then you can design this effort. By that I mean, if you are taking a story point, right? Obviously it's coming to that level if you see.
Yes.
It is getting resized. But if something resizing is not happening, come to that size, right? Come to that size and adjust them accordingly, so that you will not have this problem of not overlap. Okay?
Okay, do we have any way to make this parameter as a dynamic automatically? If the
No,
user
no,
passes through that field, if it is yes, automatically it should be display the
that is
value.
what I'm saying. No, it is this parameter. I just wanted to show you the null value, hence I created this parameter. For you, you have admin, right? You have your
Yes, sir.
admins and you have usernames for that, right? Then your calculation will be it's not present in here, but if the column that is containing that he is admin or not. So
Okay.
if his access level, let me name that access level is equal to admin,
Admin.
then and you need not even write else.
Okay.
And also along with that, access level is equal to admin, and you might be having username, right?
Yes.
Username is equal to the column that containing username column, the column that is containing usernames.
Yes, sir.
Then you will get it right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I will try this.
Yeah. Sure.
Hi, Rajesh.
Hey, hi, hi.
Hi, good morning, Rajesh. I went out, Rajesh. Like yesterday, I have asked you, right, that individual month, if I select that individual percentage needs to come like the sum of sales by sum of fixed sum of sales.
Yeah.
So again, I just have it out. Let me share my screen once.
Just yeah, go ahead.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So I just have here that month-wise the current year sales, and if I select this January, I'll get the 6%. If I select that February, I can get that. I'll keep this one as January month if anyone is selected. But the thing is that here I have the percentage from below. The least one is a 2 and the highest one is a 16, right? So I was distributed like that 0 to 2 percentage and 2 to 7, 7 to 15. So when I choose like here, I have it as well. If I select this January, I'm getting that 6%, right? So if I get 6%, I need to show that chart here, like another sheet. Like, can you see now?
Yeah.
Yes, this is a sheet I need to get like here it is the wrong percentage 17%. I don't find anywhere the correct percentage gauges. So I've taken the dummy gauge chart as of now. So if we consider this as 0 to 5 percentage, if I get that at the January any of the month, I need to show this chart. Automatically, if I get that 5 to 10%, I need to show this one. So above 10%, I need to get this 85%. So suppose if I am getting the 6% here means here I need to get the chart this one, the 5 to 10%.
Okay.
So I have loaded these three chart into that shapes also as well. So I have created one of the calculation field here. Like if sum of is less than 2%, like 20%. So this is the way I got I don't
Yeah.
understand
Did you assign the shapes to them?
like I'm here the green, blue, red. I'm getting only the red only.
But you have shapes there, right? Pull that CY sales color gauge to shape.
This one.
Yeah. Shape.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah. Now, go to your Did you add those shapes in your shapes folder in Tableau repository?
Yes, I have like shared here, but I don't find anywhere. I don't know.
Reload shapes. Click on reload shapes. No, wait. Go to my Tableau repository, shapes folder. Where are they? Which folder?
Oh my god, I have not.
Okay, now create that folder. Now put those images into those page, that page folder.
Yeah.
Okay. Now go to open shapes and click on reload shapes. Yeah. Now see that you might have got those gauges. Yeah. Now for red, whatever you want, you can select that.
For the wings.
You didn't apply that. You didn't go to shapes again.
Sorry?
Go to shapes again.
Go to steps.
Shapes. Yeah. Select red and go to that gauge. Yeah. Now select that. Yeah. Now apply. You got your gauge there. Make
Okay,
it
if I get this July,
wherever it
but
is red, you will get that. Now you should
but
get.
it is
Okay, your calculation is wrong. Your calculation. Open the calculation. Okay, no. Calculation is correct. You select all the months and see. At least, can you make it an increase the size? Go to size and increase that. Yeah, make it entire view. Yeah. Where are you getting? Can you
because I
drag?
because I think we have not into this is a current year only. I have included the calculation field as well. Is this right? Calculation field 0.02, 0. Is this right?
I don't know. Like what is that you are looking? 0.02 is 2%.
2%. Like we are getting also the 2% only, right here. See here, 2%,
Wait,
6%.
wait. CY sales less than 0.0. No, that the second condition it will give you nothing. Greater than 0.02, okay, less than 0.1.
Less
Yeah,
than
yeah, less than zero point 0.1. Correct. Yeah, this should give
remaining.
you, should not give you any problem. Yeah,
Yes.
now they are getting.
But
Decrease
here we
that.
got only the 2 only, right?
You didn't assign the shapes, right? Yeah, go to blue and assign the shape. Then you'll get.
Okay. Then we are adding only the these only, right? 0 to 2.2 to we are adding that greater than 10% also, right? November.
Yeah.
But we are not getting for November is the same chart.
Now see the value there. What value you are getting.
The current year only, right? You're asking.
Wait. Go to that sheet 3 once.
Mm-hmm.
In this, wait. 2% to 10%. It is blue. The thing is, red you are getting for more than 10%.
Yes.
And you
Shall
are
I keep
not
this
getting.
one?
No. Wait. Now, where did you get only year sales in here? How did you get only year sales?
Current year sales. Here.
Can you open that calculation once?
No, this year. Sales. Native year on the month.
Okay. Okay, now you should get it. Why are you go to sheet 3, you should get it. Why are you not getting it?
Shall I drag this here?
Convert that into discrete. CY sales 1.1 into discrete.
Which one? This one?
No, in the data pane, yeah, convert that into discrete and drag it to next 2 months. Month of audit. Month of audit. Next to that. Yeah. Okay. Convert that into percentage. Wait. Even for 4.9. Can you go to that calculation once again? Yeah. Wait. None of your percentage is below 2%, right? 0.2%. So your green will
Yes.
not come, right?
Yes, we'll keep here that 5%.
Wait.
Okay.
You are increasing the value. See. Okay, yeah. Manipulate your calculation. Okay. Less
Yes,
than
less than 5%,
5%.
whichever we have, it
Yeah.
should be the green.
Then it is greater than. Now here you are forgetting one thing. You are saying less than 0.05 and greater than 0.05. But what should happen if it is equal to 0.05?
Then we'll keep it.
Yep. You have to be very clear with that. Okay. Yeah. Now click on apply. Yeah. Now go and assign the shape for that. Okay.
But above 10% below, yes, I got it. So now I want, this is I remove now. So I'll keep only the January month standard. I will hide that show header. So now I'll keep the sheet 3 into this. Is this right?
Yeah. No, that filter is not getting applied to that.
Yeah, that's yes. Now I'm getting the percentage as well as respective the diagram also. Is that right?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much, Raj.
Okay. Yeah. Any other doubts, guys? Guys, any other doubts?
Hi, Rajeshwar.
Hi.
Every time when we drag and drop any dimensions or measures, so by default, Tableau will generate a SQL query, right? So where can we see that SQL query?
That is $1 million question, because in a way, yes, that query, if you want to see, you can see it in the logs. That
So logs, I try to see in the logs, but
yeah, it's a huge text but wait, somewhere. Tableau log view. Here, somewhere. So this will help you view those, what do you say, logs. But for this, you need to.
I don't think so. Screen is not visible
Oh, sorry.
for me.
Sorry. I'm not sure. So in there is something called as GitHub log, Tableau log view or GitHub.
Okay.
If you proceed with this, I think I'll make a video on this. If you proceed with this, yes, you can see the log files and you can read whatever is present in the log files.
By default, we have Tableau repository, right? In that also we have like log files. In that it is not
You
possible.
can have log files, but this is to help you read those log files, understand those log files. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I need to understand this. A long back I saw this, I never concentrated on this.
Okay.
See, how do I build this? Okay, I think I need to go through these and understand how to do this. And then, yes, we can read the log files. Okay?
Okay. So yesterday we have discussed like for extract how much time we can take. That is minimum time is we are able to see in server level, that is 15 minutes.
Yes.
So what was the maximum time?
There is no maximum time. Right? See, now when I'm talking about 15 minutes, generally refreshing of our extract happens on schedules.
Yes.
So those schedules, minimum time between them is 15 minutes. Maximum time it can be 1 hour, 1 day, 1 month, 1 year, a decade, anything. Now, how do you schedule it is the point, right?
Uh, Suppose if I am loading data in Tableau from the server, so where we can do in the data source page, we can join the tables and we will get the information, right?
Yes.
So for storing that information also, it's taking a lot of time to me. So it is taking more than half an hour. Like that.
Wait. You are saying in Tableau desktop, you are bringing a table or you are bringing two tables and doing a join. Is that what you're
Yes.
saying? You are doing a join, and in that place, to load that details join information, it is taking a lot of time. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, now I'm talking about this only. Previously, I talked about server only.
Yeah. Now, why? Like, how many records do you have in in each of those tables?
Uh, Not exactly. Maybe there is 1 million above.
And in the other table?
Other table, so maybe it will join. So based on
See,
the
here the
joining, we
problem
will get the
is,
records, right? So
yeah.
for that purpose, you are asking.
See, the reason is, if you are having, even in that case, it should not take much of a time.
Okay.
Now, you are saying that here, when you go to your data source page, right, then when you are doing this, dragging this other table in here to pop, this it is taking a lot of time. That is what you're saying.
Yes.
It should not take such a long time. It should not, because it is now
So,
here majorly it will focus on the metadata. In the data source page, you will get the major focus is on metadata and only certain number of rows. A preview is shown.
yeah.
So for this, it should not at all take much time.
How much time we can wait? So for asking database team, it is taking lot of time, like that. Why it is happening? So how much time we can wait in the data source page? Data
No,
is for
it should
getting
happen
receiving the
immediately.
information.
It should happen immediately. That is what I'm saying. It should not take so much of a time, because here in this page it is focusing only and only on metadata, not your data.
Okay.
So the issue might be somewhere else, not here.
That's why. So for asking DB team also, we need some clarification, right? So how much time we can wait, like the time?
No, it's not about waiting. See, that is what I'm saying. It should happen instantly. If
Okay.
not in 5-10 seconds.
Okay.
I think maybe data is getting duplicated. You need to check your join also.
But I have one question here. Even if the data is getting duplicated and all that stuff, right? Will that affect the way that is the display this one? Right? I'm not getting this option to be. When I am okay, now how many ever rows there might be, but when I drag a table here and when I'm trying to do the join, does the the number of records of data, will it affect this display?
So when you create a job, like when you do the extract, then it will
Yeah,
like
then
it will
is
take
yes.
place.
Now
Yeah.
her question is, here itself it is taking a lot of time. That is what she's saying.
Okay.
Now I
That's
think you
okay.
need
I
to
think
you can hide the important details and just share us a screenshot of this page when you are the start time, where when you are dragging this, what is the start time and what is the end time, you are getting the
Okay.
total view. Then I think we can get a clarity. Okay,
Sure.
make
Sure.
sure you expose none of your company's data, just show us what, like just put a dummy field or rename the column, like the name, you can rename this to anything that you want, so just rename them and show us, so that your company's data will not come outside. Okay.
you can check this in custom SQL also in your SQL Server SQL.
Okay.
Do that. Yeah.
Yeah, that also makes sense. What she's saying is, rather than writing something in here, dragging tables in here,
Okay. Yeah,
you
I
can
need to write SQL.
you can write a custom SQL, and I think then it should not take any more time, right?
Okay. In your SQL server, just write that and try to that it is taking time or not. Then you can fetch the same query in Tableau. Then you will get logged.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Uh,
I will do that.
Great.
One thing.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. In this time, can we go for zero extract?
See, it's not zero extract is when you move from here to when you try to create an extract. All this will come when you try to create an extract. Now again, this page, even if you want to go for a zero extract, this page should display, right? You're getting my point?
Okay. Okay. So in that time, so we can see in extract and then also we can see, right?
Now her doubt is confined to
Not extract.
yeah, her doubt is when she is dragging a table, now you are getting this table right here.
Reviewing the data.
Then when you are trying to preview the data, or what?
No, for seeing only.
Like you are not changing the number of records in here, right? This place.
Where?
It by default it gives you 100 rows. You are only keeping those 100 rows, right?
Not exactly. I did not try with this.
No. You didn't touch. My point is, you didn't touch this place, right?
I did not touch that one.
Then, yeah, her doubt is when she is bringing this table in here, it is taking a lot of time to show this. But this should not take more time, because here in this page, data source page, it is neither bothered about extract nor records, nothing. It is only bothered about the metadata. And a short glimpse of the data, like first 1,000 rows, first 100 rows, or something like that. So that should not be a problem. That is what my understanding is. I'm not sure.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. I got it. I thought sorry.
Okay. Yeah.
Hey, Rajeshwar.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, can you just go back to that page?
Okay.
Yeah. So, small question I'm having. When I'm dragging any of the table, so here I'm getting this 40 fields, 9994 rows. Okay. So as soon as I do a convert to SQL, so in my case, what is happening? I'm getting the number of fields and the number of rows. It was showing like 48 or 50 rows, something like that. And when as soon as I click on convert SQL,
Okay.
that property table.
Your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking.
Hello.
Your
Is
voice
it fine now? Is it fine?
Yeah, now it is good.
Hello.
Yeah, now it is good.
Yeah. So my question was, before converting to SQL,
the number of rows is getting changed. So why it is happening? Like before doing the convert to SQL, the rows which is showing, what is that number? From where it is coming?
Okay, you mean to say the number of rows that you are seeing in here, and
Yeah,
when
here
you
it is showing
convert it to
9994.
custom SQL, the number of rows that are being shown are not the same.
Right, yeah. So when I drag, it shows like 48 rows or 50 rows, something like that. And even if I go to my sheet and even I click on that count,
Yeah.
it will show 38 only. But again, I'll go back to this data source page. I'll do convert to SQL. It will get into like 90,000 or 1 million, which is actual numbers present in the database.
Wait. When you are doing a direct join, you are getting 48, 50
No, it's not about join, just dragging a single table as well.
So when you are dragging a table, okay, let me get this straight. You are dragging a table in here,
Yeah.
then you are getting some 48, 50 rows.
Yeah, here this label like 38 fields and 994 rows, here it is mentioned.
Yeah.
So here instead of 994, it used to show me like 50 rows, 70 rows.
And even if you go into the sheet and drag this order count,
yeah, same.
Even it is showing 48, 50 rows.
Yeah.
And but the moment you converted this to custom SQL,
yes,
then it is showing 90,000 rows.
Yeah, the actual numbers, the actual rows which is present in the database. So my question was, what is that? Is that a?
No, I too don't have any explanation for that, because see what Tableau does is when you click on convert to SQL, convert to custom SQL, then it is only one table and you are trying to convert it to SQL. Then what it does is select statement with all the columns in that table from table name. That is what the query should give. Right? Now when it is giving you only 48, I don't have any explanation for that as of now.
Because fields are fine, fields are not changing. The number of rows are getting changed.
That is the point, that I don't have any explanation for that for now. The reason being,
somebody worked on SAP HANA, like in this call, somebody is there.
Anyone worked on SAP HANA? Anyone can help me?
Anyone?
I worked in Snowflake, Mani.
Not exactly.
Okay. Because I was just assuming that maybe I'm not sure. Maybe there is some setting from the SAP HANA they kept like when dragging any of the table, it should by default show this number of rows before converting to.
Can you check if it is?
Sorry.
Can you check if there is some blurs in the reports?
No, there is nothing. I mean, everything was fine. So actual rows are 9,994 only, but before converting to SQL, it was showing me 50 rows, 70 rows, which is actually not there. Like there are a lot of rows are there. So I was not getting like why it is showing me that particular specific 48 rows only. Okay, Rajeshwar, no problem.
We have to see that. Let's see. Ping me once. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah. So, any like guys, we are at 10:10. Last doubt, if anyone has any.
Rajeshwar, a small theoretical doubt I have. Actually, I'm going through some interview level questions. So there was one question like single click sheet swapping in Tableau dashboard. So is it about the sheet swapping using parameter, or is it something different?
Yeah, parameter only. Single. I don't understand what is the single click sheet swapping. But yes,
I'm just picking on the message single sheet single click sheet swapping in Tableau dashboard.
I don't understand what that single click is, but yes, the sheet swapping can be done. Now parameter actions. Now see, if they are looking for something where they can click something and get these, what do you say, the when they can click something and they want to happen, like,
Right, something like that only, because maybe somebody
then
has
that
not
is just a
looked
parameter
at this
action.
question.
Now here, generally in your parameter, right? I'm just creating a parameter, string and all. Okay. Now here I'm just writing, I'm just bringing my category. This is my category. I'm just bringing my category. Now here I'm writing another calculation. If uh, parameter 3 is equal to furniture, then uh, subcategory. I'm asking for a subcategory, right? Or let this be 2. Okay. I'm bringing this calculation 15 in here. Okay. Again, I'm taking another sheet, calculation 15. I'm duplicating this, and here I'm writing is equal to technology. Okay. Now I'm coming into a dashboard. I'm bringing my sheet 18. Let me make this automatic. I'm bringing my sheet. This is common. I should bring sheet 17. I brought my sheet 17 here, and sheet 18 here, and sheet 19 here. First I'll do this, then I'll do the swapping part. Now here, if you see, I am writing a parameter, and in this, I'm taking change parameter, and I'm taking sheet 17, select, target parameter is this, and it should be going from this. Let me click on OK. Now let me show this parameter as well. Right? Now when I click on furniture, see the actual values are getting into this parameter. Now here I am bringing my subcategory. I'm bringing this in here. I'm bringing calculation 15. Let me come here and let me select furniture. I'm coming here. I'm bringing calculation 15 to filter so that I will get, or I will go to custom, and here I will select. Now I'm getting my subject. Just rather than furniture, I will select. Perfect. Now sheet I'm going to sheet 19. Again I'm dragging my sequence of category. Now I'm editing my calculation 15 copy, and here I'm taking again. Okay. Just a minute. Parameter 3 is equal to parameter 3 is then should give me uh, Just a second. Somewhere I'm missing something. Okay. Let me go back here. Let me edit this one. Here I'm just taking furniture. I'm going back to furniture again. I'm coming here. I'm keeping this as technology. Now I am bringing this into filter and I'm selecting true. Let me go to here and let me type in true. Okay. Right. Now I am going in here. I am going for a technology. Now it is changed to technology. I am coming to my sheet. 19. Yeah. Now here I am bringing this copy and I am selecting, and even here I will be just putting in true. Right. Now into my dashboard. If you see, if I click on furniture, this value is coming. And if I click on technology, this value is coming. Now I am removing these two. I am bringing a vertical container. I am bringing sheet 18 and I am hiding the title. And I am bringing sheet 19. Again, I am hiding the title. Now, if you see, it is click-based sheet swap. Right? It is click-based sheet swap. So I think that is what they are saying. I don't know if that is what they are expecting. Okay? Okay, guys, last doubt because it's 10:70. Anyone has any doubt? Last doubt I will take. I will move forward.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, good morning. Actually, I have a question. Actually, what is the difference between custom and initial SQL?
Custom?
And initial SQL. Initial SQL.
Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's discuss this tomorrow because it needs certain explanation and we are already out of time. We'll discuss this tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Same Google meeting link, Rajesh?
Same link, yeah. The same link will be added. Yes. Monday to Friday. Okay? Okay, then everyone. Thanks a lot. We'll again meet tomorrow. Okay? The same time.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank you, everyone.